What do you want to see?
I see big fireworks, Daddy.
How big?
Big fireworks. A big fireworks.
Where are you going to see those at?
At SeaWorld.
What are we going to see at SeaWorld?
And the fireworks.
Yes, big fireworks.
A big fireworks.
What do they sound like?
Tack, tack, tack.
What do they sound like, baby? Can you tell me again? What do they sound like?
Tack, tack, tack.
Tack, 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 tack. Big
Tack,
fireworks.
tack, 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 tack.
Are you afraid of fireworks?
Yes.
You are afraid of fireworks?
Yes.
But you still want to see them.
I don't see it.
You still want to see them.
I'm all done seeing fireworks.
You all done seeing them?
I'm all done.
Do you want to see more?
Do you want to see them tonight?
Oh, it's road crossing.
Yes, it is. It is a railroad crossing.
It's a choo-choo.
Do you want to see fireworks tonight?
Tonight.
You want Daddy to take you to SeaWorld?
No, serious fireworks.
Do you want to go tonight to see them?
Oh, yes.
Yes, you do.